December 31st, 2010. Happy Halloween, McLean.
Can you wave to Mama?
Can you wave at Mommy? Who got your pumpkins? Who got your pumpkins?
Wave to Mama and give Daddy 5. Go ahead. Good job. What are you, a spider?
Hey, little itsy bitsy spider. Hey, baby.
Give me 5. Give me 5.
Your baby pumpkin.
Where's the big pumpkin? We're playing, which one's the big pumpkin? Oh, Daddy, the big one. Yeah, that's a big one. That's the big one, yeah. Can
Oh.
you pick it up? Pick it up. I've been on your campus twice. Pick up that big pumpkin. I've been to 710 Notre Dame. Since 1975. Pumpkin, what color is that pumpkin? Orange, yep.
Oh, goodness, love.
Kind of cold for about a week now, both of us.
Yep. Everybody's sick.
Wait, you want to chase Daddy around the yard? You want to chase? Come on.
Go get him.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, he's gonna throw pumpkins.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Daddy, get that pumpkin. Go get that pumpkin. Yeah. You do it again? Come on, let's do it again. Give it to me.
Sweet boy. What's the matter? You're the cutest little spider ever. Can you say mama? Can you say ha ha? Say it. Ha ha. Hey, stay on the grass. Stay on the grass.
Grass, green grass over here.
No, you can't get on there. Do you want to go? Do you want to go in? You do.
No, see what happens? Yes or no?
Uh-oh. Where'd your...
Go get it. Let's go get it. Come on, give me 5. Let's go get it. Come on, give me 5. Let's go. Oh, you're still on the grass. Come on. Let's go. Let's go get it. Come on, let's go. Come on. Try it again.
Hey, darling. You're the cutest spider ever. Can you tell Mommy ha ha? Ha ha.